Great news! Yolva is about to be listed on CoinMarketCap. You heard that right. Yolva will appear on the biggest crypto tracking platform in the world in just a few days. What does this imply, and how does it benefit you as an investor? 1. Unprecedented visibility. Millions will see Yola and learn about our innovative ecosystem. 2. Increased credibility. Being on CMC is a stamp of legitimacy in the crypto world. 3. Massive growth potential. Prepare for a new influx of community members and investors. Fact: projects that get listed on CMC has the potential of hitting 10x, 20, and even 100x. So, what should you do now? A wise investor will get more Yolva tokens to secure a good position. Hold your Yola tokens tightly. And finally, share this amazing news far and wide, especially to loved ones. Congratulations on being in the best crypto project in 2023. Keep that community spirit high and stay engaged.